Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make crochet peacock feather and bookmark. I am taking a violet colored yarn and then make a magic ring followed by chain 1. Now pull the hook a bit longer, that will give the height of the puff. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic circle and pull the yarn. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the magic circle, pull the yarn. Repeat this for total 5 times for 1 puff stitch. In this way, there will be a total of 11 loops on your hook. Finally, yarn over and pull it through all the 11 loops and then chain 1. This was our first puff. So we are going to make 2 more puffs in this round. So there will be a total of 3 puffs in this round. On completing the 3 puff stitches, pull the tail and tighten the magic circle. So this round is complete and we are going to cut the yarn. We are going to do a color change. For that, we are going to take a pink colored yarn. Make a slip stitch. Now, we are going to insert the hook into the very first stitch of the previous round. Insert the hook and then make a slip stitch, followed by chain 3. The chain 3 will give you the height of the puff. In the similar way, we will do the puff as we had done in the previous round. We will yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch and then pull the yarn through. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch and then pull the yarn through. Do it 4 times. Then yarn over and pull the yarn through all the stitches and then chain 1. In the next stitch of the first round, we will be doing 2 puff stitches. We will be yarning over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull the yarn and again do it 4 more times. So total 5 times yarn over into the stitch. Two more puff stitches in the next stitch of the first round. In the next stitch, we will be yarning over into the stitch 4 times and then chain 3 and then slip stitch into the same stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. In the third stitch, we are going to add an indigo colored yarn. In this round, we are going to have 8 puff stitches. The first puff is going to be in between the 2 pink puff stitches. So here we are going to have only 1 puff. In the next stitch, we are going to have 2 puff stitches. Again, 2 puff stitches in the next stitch. Two more puff stitches in the next stitch. In the last stitch, we are going to have only 1 puff. So yarn over 4 times and then chain 3, slip stitch into the same stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. So, in the next round, we are going to take a sky blue colored yarn. So, this round is going to have 10 puff stitches. So, first stitch in between 2 blue stitches, we are going to have 1 puff stitch. Then in the next stitch, we will be having 2 puff stitches. Then in the next stitch, we are going to have 1 puff stitch. Then in the next stitch 2 puff stitches, followed by 1 puff stitch in the next stitch, followed by 2 puff stitches in the next stitch, and finally 1 puff stitch in the last stitch. In the next round, we will be taking cyan colored yarn, 12 puff stitches in the next stitch. So 1 puff stitch in between 2 sky blue colored stitch, 2 puff stitches in the next stitch, followed by 1 puff stitch in the next stitch, followed by 1 puff stitch in the next stitch, then again 2 puff stitches in the next stitch, followed by 1 puff stitch, then followed by 1 puff stitch in the next stitch, followed by 2 puff stitches in the next stitch, and finally 1 puff stitch in the last stitch. Again 12 puff stitches in the next round. In each stitch we are going to have one puff stitch. Only in the middle stitch we will be having 2 puff stitches in this round. So total 12 puff stitches. For the last round, take a dark green colored yarn, make a slip knot, insert the hook into the first stitch between the 2 green puff stitches and slip stitch, followed by chain 1. Do 1 single crochet in the same stitch followed by a picot, that is chain 3, and then slip stitch into the single crochet stitch. Single crochet again in the same stitch. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet followed by a picot and then another single crochet in the same stitch. Again 1 single crochet in the next stitch followed by a picot and another single crochet in the same stitch. Again 1 single crochet in the next stitch followed by a picot and a second single crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, 1 more single crochet followed by a picot and another single crochet in the same stitch. So total 5 sets of single crochet, picot and single crochet. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet followed by chain 3 followed by a double crochet followed by a double crochet and a picot. Then 2 more double crochets in the same stitch followed by chain 3 and single crochet in the same stitch. Do another 5 sets of single crochet, picot and single crochet in the remaining 5 stitches. So our peacock feather fan is ready. We just need to add a tail to it in order to make the bookmark. Take the white colored yarn, make a slip knot and insert the hook into the magic circle, followed by a slip stitch and chain 3. Then we are going to do a cluster of 3 double crochets in the magic circle. We will continue doing this chain 3 and cluster of 3 double crochets till we get the desired length of the tail of our bookmark. We can decorate the bookmark with tassels at the end of the tail. So, our peacock feather fan bookmark is ready. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button below and comment in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos and help me grow my channel.